Clean, secure, styled, and powered up. These must-have gadgets are ready for your Black Friday Amazon haul. The Dyson V9 Motorbar cordless vacuum delivers up to 40 minutes of fade-free power with a perfect balance of strength and lightweight design. Its Motorbar cleaner head deep cleans all floors and detangles hair automatically, while the hair screw tool removes long hair and pet hair fast. With an LCD screen for real-time updates and a quick handheld conversion, it's built for whole home, car, and pet-friendly cleaning. The Ring battery doorbell gives you 66% more vertical coverage with new head-to-toe video, making it easier to see people and packages at your door. With a built-in USB-C rechargeable battery, quick snap-in setup, live view with two-way talk, motion alerts, and smart notifications, you stay in control from anywhere. Works with Alexa for hands-free monitoring and added home or business security. The Ring Spotlight Cam Plus gives you wide-angle 1080p HD video with color night vision, motion-activated LED spotlights, and a built-in security siren to deter intruders fast. Customize motion zones, use two-way talk to speak to visitors, and power it easily with the quick-release battery pack. Works with Alexa for instant alerts, hands-free control, and smarter home or business protection. The BISSELL Little Green Portable Cleaner delivers powerful deep cleaning for carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Trusted by millions, it removes 100+ stains with its triple action formula that lifts messes and eliminates odors. With a large 48-oz tank, easy spray scrub suction action, and specialty tools, it cleans deeper than paper towels. Every purchase helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus delivers hands-free cleaning for up to 7-9 weeks with its 2.7L self-emptying dock. Its 1000 PA suction, dual anti-tangle brushes, and combined vacuum mop system remove dust, pet hair, and debris effortlessly. Powered by PresciSense LiDAR for precise home mapping, it's easily controlled through the Roborock app for scheduling, no-go zones, spot cleaning, and real-time monitoring. The Bella 6-in-1 Hot Air Styler delivers fast, versatile styling with a 110,000 RPM brushless motor for ultra-quick drying and less heat damage. Its auto-wrap curlers create effortless salon-quality curls, while multiple heat and speed modes suit any hair type. With negative ion tech for smooth, frizz-free shine and a quiet design, it includes a durable protective travel case for safe, easy styling anywhere. The Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 delivers 1500-watt power with a 3000-watt surge and a 1070-watt LifePour battery, all in a compact 23.8 Li design with a foldable handle. It fast charges from 0–100% in just 1 hour with the Jackery app and lasts over 10 years with 4,000+ cycles. With multiple AC, USB-C, USB-A, and DC ports, plus smart app control, it's perfect for camping, emergencies, RVs, and off-grid power needs.